Hey, I'm Alan Brito from Blender 3D Architect, and welcome to this tutorial about how to import SketchUp files into Blender. I'll explain in this video two ways to directly import SketchUp files into Blender. I'm an architect and I'm often receiving SketchUp files from companies, from colleagues, and I need to import them into Blender to apply materials, to create animations, and process them inside Blender. So let me explain what you have to do to bring a SketchUp file into Blender. And let's begin with the first option, which in my view, it's the easiest one. Let's imagine that you do have access to SketchUp. In this case, the easiest path or the easiest workflow is to export this model here, this anything that you have inside SketchUp as an OBJ file. Let me show you what you have to do here. You only have this option. This option is only available if you have access to SketchUp Pro. If you go here under export and choose 3D model, you can choose here from the various file formats that SketchUp support the OBJ file format. This is the easiest way to import this data inside Blender because Blender can natively import OBJ files. So this is the easiest way, no big secrets here, just export the file, import it into Blender. But the problem appears when you do not have access to SketchUp. Let's imagine that you only have Blender and someone sent to you SketchUp file, an SKP file, and you need to import that into Blender. Let's go to Blender to see how it works. And here in Blender, let's start from scratch. Let's imagine that you just opened Blender and you received an SKP file, a SketchUp file from someone, and you need to import it to Blender. Before going into the details of directly importing that file format, let me show you where you can import OBJ files in case you have access to SketchUp. If you go to the File, Import menu, you will see here that we have the option to import an OBJ file. You can also export from SketchUp an FBX file. So if you have that file on FBX, you can import it from here as well. But what if you don't have access to SketchUp? In this case, you will need an add-on. And the best option, which by the way is free, it's this add-on here from the guys of Red Halo Studio. All of the links, add-ons, resources, I will leave links in the description so you can easily access them. Luckily for us, Red Halo Studio just updated their add-on with support for Blender 5.0 and SketchUp 2025, the most recent and up-to-date file formats. So it's quite easy and useful to have this add-on installed in Blender if you are often receiving or having to use SketchUp files. Let me show you how it works. First thing you have to do, of course, is to download the add-on. You will be using this zip file here. By the way, a quick warning about using this add-on if you are not using Windows. This add-on here, it will only work. It only works in Windows because it has a small binary file inside the zip file. So it won't work on a Mac, for instance. But if you are using a Mac, we have this variant of the add-on, which is this SKP to Blender. I will leave links in the description. You have detailed instructions on how to install it on macOS for Intel, Apple Silicon. I will leave links in the description in case you want to try it. In case you want to try it. I'm not sure if it's up to date with Blender 5.0, so I didn't test that with the latest version of Blender. Now, here in Blender, how can we install that add-on? Since it's a zip file, we won't be able to use the official extensions repository. You have to go into the Edit, preferences, and under here add-ons or get extensions, you have to click on this small arrow here and choose install from disk. Once you click on this option, you will be able to select that zip file. You can see that I already have that zip file here. Just press the install from disk and it will install the add-on. If I come here under add-ons, you will see the option SketchUp Importer. And now if I go into the file, import, you will see a new option here for SketchUp SKP. Now the question is, does it work? Let's try it. I will delete everything from my scene. Let's go to the file, import, SketchUp. And here's that file, Modern Cabin 2025.skp. Import. Depending on the complexity of the file and your computer, your computer, it might take a while to process, but here we have it. That exact same file from SketchUp. You can see here from the outline that it will import the names. It will even create materials. You can see that we have a list of materials here from SketchUp. We have the interior furniture. And you can start adding lights, textures, adding cycles materials, and anything that you want to do here in Blender to process this file. So I hope you like this tutorial. This is the easiest way to bring SketchUp files into Blender if you don't have access to SketchUp. I hope you like this tutorial. And if you want to learn more about how to use Blender for architecture, for 3D printing, engineering, and replace SketchUp, I have this workshop here that I will soon update to Blender 5.0, which has a name of Blender 4.2 Precise Modeling, where I will explain step by step how to use Blender as a CAD tool. This same workshop here, I do have a series of books about this same subject. I will leave links in the description in case you are interested, and it will support my work here in Blender 3D Architect. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future tutorials. See you next time. Bye.